The motorcycle custom world has no shortage of jaw-dropping builds. But every once in a while, a project emerges that truly resets the standard. And that's exactly what we're witnessing with this absolutely stunning custom 1975 Norton Commando 850, reimagined by the legendary French workshop FCR Original. Known for their meticulous craftsmanship and artistic vision, FCR has taken this vintage icon and turned it into a cafe racer masterpiece that's as functional as it is breathtaking. Let's start with the bodywork, a complete transformation sculpted from handmade aluminum. The new fuel tank is narrow and low, capped with a beautiful leather strap that adds both vintage charm and premium detailing. The rear end is defined by a clean, classic cafe racer tail section perched perfectly atop a custom subframe. Sitting just ahead is a solo leather saddle stitched in sleek black, designed for maximum impact with minimal clutter. Lighting is subtle but sophisticated. Dual-function LEDs tucked beneath the rear tail keep things minimal, while the front features a Bates-style headlight flanked by LED turn signals mounted to custom brackets. It's a seamless mix of vintage style and modern function, exactly what you'd expect from FCR. In the cockpit, a Moto Gadget Motoscope tiny speedometer is centered on a custom FCR bracket, maintaining a clean, script-back aesthetic. Clip-on handlebars fitted with CNC machine switches and black grips further elevate the minimalist appeal, creating an elegant yet aggressive riding position. But this build isn't just about good looks. Underneath the metalwork is a thoroughly re-engineered mechanical platform. At the front, serial forks are secured by custom triple clamps for sharper handling, while the rear gains modern adjustable shock absorbers, vastly improving ride quality over the original. The wheels are a nod to the golden age of motorcycling, with custom hubs laced to 18-inch Barani rims using stainless steel spokes. Vintage-style tires complement the look while ensuring capable street performance. Braking gets a serious upgrade too, thanks to high-performance ABM calipers and drilled rotors, a vital enhancement for a bike with this much go. Speaking of performance, the 850cc parallel twin has been completely rebuilt, inside and out. But the highlight? A one-off, handcrafted stainless steel exhaust system that wraps elegantly from the engine to a pair of vertically stacked slash-cut mufflers. It's pure artwork, both visually and acoustically, and gives the bike a signature growl that matches its fierce persona. Despite its show-quality appearance, FCR has ensured this bike is fully street legal. That's a rare trait in the world of ultra-customized machines. Too often, builders sacrifice functionality for form. But not here. FCR has nailed the balance between high-end artistry and real-world usability. What sets this build apart is the level of cohesion and refinement. Every detail feels intentional, from the aluminum tank to the CNC machine switches. Nothing feels overdone. It's a modern tribute to classic English cafe racers built with passion, precision, and a deep respect for heritage. In an era when motorcycles are often defined by technology and electronics, this Norton Commando 850 Cafe Racer reminds us of the soul of motorcycling. It's a visceral, mechanical celebration of speed, design, and craftsmanship. Hats off to Sebastian Guillemot and the FCR Original team for this jaw-dropping build. Whether you're into vintage bikes, custom builds, or simply appreciate rolling art, this Norton Commando 850 Cafe Racer is an instant legend.